All right, so now I am in landscape mode. So these are the pieces that come with the Dyson Cyclone V10 animal. They are unpacked now. So we have the, it is the torque drive cleaner head that comes with the animal. So you'll see here, it's got the maximum suction, larger debris settings. We have the mini motorized tool. Then we have the combination tool. This is the one I couldn't remember on the other video what it was called. But you do, oops, you don't break it. You can do brush and then snap it back for a heart tool with a little fuzzy brush. And then you have your crevice tool. So nice for underneath stuff, sides of fridges and other appliances. Mini soft dusting brush. So this one I think is always a nice one, but it is nice and soft too. So, and the bottom part is soft, so you're not going to be, even if you smash it down really, not that you guess you should be, but you could, you're still not going to be scraping plastic against whatever you're dusting. So that's good. And then you have obviously your pole, the main part of the unit. So this has the dust release here. It shows you little instructions, gives you some information about assembly. So make sure you wash your filter. So it comes 20% charged. You're supposed to charge it fully before use. I read in another article that it takes about 2 hours from when you first get it, unbox it, and then charge it, rather than the general 3.5 if it's from a completely dead battery. So hopefully that's helpful to someone. And then just the mounting kit instructions, adapter, activate your warranty information, a mail-in thing for your warranty, and then set up instructions. So those we can look at here. So these are your, so just your operating manual. It'll say to wash the filter with cold water. There's your 3.5 hours from 0. And then there's your different power settings. So I guess low, medium, high, or low, medium, max. A lot of people have said the suction, the lowest is still really, really good. I was playing with it inside Best Buy, and which is where I bought mine. And I kind of liked it did really well on the lowest setting. So, but I did also read that on the max setting, you're only getting maybe 7 to 10 minutes of actual battery time. So if you use that for that amount of time, you're going to be waiting another 3.5 hours until you can vacuum again. Obviously, safety instructions here. Read and save them. Guard them. Let's see. Then this talks through just power mode, general assembly and setup, what the lights mean during charging, emptying the bin, how that works. And then it explains the torque drive cleaner head modes as well, what the LED lights say, and then how to look for blockages, washing the filter unit, and then clearing obstructions from the drive cleaner head, taking you through the mini motorized tool if there's any obstructions, and then just how to use, light diagnostics, emptying the clear bin, cleaning the clear bin, filter and blockage indicator LEDs, washable parts. It always reminds me of the episode of Monk where he's got his vacuum cleaner that cleans his vacuum cleaner. Well, no, that always makes me laugh. And then obviously washing the filter unit, looking for blockages, information on the 2-year limited warranty, a reminder to register again, charging storage, battery safety instructions, warranty service, information about when you're registering your Dyson machine, and then it continues in Espanol. And that is the registration guide. So then you'll actually have your registration, and then it tells you how to do it online. Please don't steal my serial number. from the sticker on the back. I'll make sure to register that right away. But that's everything unpacked. So this is the whole shebang, everything from the box. And I did measure the box. The box itself is about 24 inches high. Was it 24? I think it was. I forgot what it was. Sorry. It might have been 29 inches high. I think it was 29. Obviously, my brain has issues with measurements and depth. That's just how things go sometimes. But that's it. So these are all your pieces and the guide that comes included. Let me know if you have questions. And then once I get it put together and get to using it, I will give you some more videos. Thanks. Bye.